Hi everyone, my name is Alvin and today we're gonna assemble a bike. So there's a bunch of pieces in here. We need to connect them to make a bike, and that's what we're gonna do today in today's video. First I'm gonna assemble the bike seat. Like we're gonna put it right here. So first let's cut this white thing off and take out the seat. And now we're gonna place the thing in, close it up, and first we got the seat. Next we're gonna move on to the wheel assembling part. The back seat is already assembled from the packet, so we're gonna assemble the front wheel. So I'm gonna call my dad to help. So next we're going to put the wheel on the front area. Next, we're gonna attach the handle. Next part is to assemble the pedals. Okay, now let's do it now. You're enjoying the video so far. So we already put the pedals. Now we're gonna remove the wrappings. Now the last piece of wrapping. Now the bike is ready. Okay, so now I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and hit the like and hit the bell. Thank you.